Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 12.3, question number 3. So this is a given diagram. Area of the shaded region in this figure, if ABCD is a square, so ABCD, the diagram is a square, the side is 14 centimeter. So each and every side will be 14 centimeter, 14 centimeter, and APD, BPC are semicircle. APD and BPC are semicircle. Now we need to find the area of the shaded region alone. Now area of the shaded region, it's not in any of the shape, no. So what we have to do is, from the square we have to subtract two semicircles. So the remaining will be the shaded part. So we can write it directly. Area of the shaded region is equal to, area of the shaded region is equal to, from the diagram we can say that, from the square, area of a square minus, from the area of the square we have to minus 2 times area of the semicircle. Area of two semicircle we can write it because both are same radius. Both are same radius. Radius I didn't mention in the question, but they have given side of the square is 14. So this BC side also 14 only. This BC is nothing but diameter of the semicircle. This is a semicircle. So this line is a diameter. So diameter is 14 centimeter. We can take it. For this also the same thing because the whole shape is a square. Now let us write the formula here now. Area of the square, our formula is side into side. This we know already. Minus area of the two semicircles. So two semicircle, first you just take the 2. For circle, area formula pi r squared. For semicircle, pi r squared by 2. So pi r squared by 2 is the area of the semicircle. For two semicircle, we have to take the 2. This 2 will get cancelled. Logically, we can say that when two semicircles are added, it will give you one circle. But anyway, you have to write it in this way. You have to show, you have taken 2 times semicircle. You have to show it in your exam also. So for the semicircle here, these are all the given. I am just writing here. So given for semicircle, diameter is equal to, diameter and the side are same. So diameter is equal to 14 is given in the question, 14 centimeter. So radius is equal to diameter by 2. Diameter is 14 divided by 2, which is equal to 7 centimeter. So radius of the circle is, that semicircle is 7 centimeter. Actually that's what we have to apply here. Now side into side, side of the square is given as 14. 14 multiplied by 14 minus pi value 22 by 7 multiplied by r squared, r value is 7. So 7 into 7 we should write it. 1 7 and 1 7 will get cancelled. So 14 14s are 196 minus 7 2s are 14, balance 1, 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15. So normal subtraction, 6 minus 4 is 2, 9 minus 5 will give you 4, 1 minus 1 is 0. Square centimeter. So area should be given in the unit of square. So all the units given in the diagram is centimeter. So answer also will be coming in centimeter. This is the area of the shaded region, 42 square centimeter. Thank you for watching students. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.